Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pipe.
Hello! So today I am going to be doing a very fun activity with my girls, and we are going to be doing Christmas wreaths. So I've actually never done Christmas wreaths before. Like the closest thing I got to doing was like maybe my own bouquet. So today we're going to be doing stuff for our friends and our family, and there they are. Can't wait! Wow! What a beautiful space! Amy herself, who is going to be teaching us. What are we going to do today?
Christmas wreaths.
Wow, because Christmas is right around the corner. So I have my girls here with me as well. We've got Zed and we've got Shaw, but safe distancing, so they're out of frame. But later on you'll see them.
What you see here is the dried wreaths. Yeah. Then we have dried flowers, is a bundle, so we will use it later. And we also have preserved eucalyptus. So in this color, yeah, in this color.
Oh, how come got so many different colors? Do you dye them?
Yeah, they are dyed.
Oh, you dye them specially?
Yeah.
Using what?
Just
dye.
Flower dye,
like
yeah, flower dyes. Yes. This is fig. Fig berries. So we don't use fresh berries because they will turn black if they are dried. Then the pine cones, they are real, dried. Oranges, dried. Cotton.
This is a real orange, you know.
Yeah, real orange.
It's like what you put in your gin and tonic.
Yes, but this one, try not to. You will die, maybe. Yeah. And then cinnamons.
Nice. Yeah. The people that come here, they kind of just do it DIY, so there isn't any
fixed design. Yeah. So for me, I will usually demo first to let you know like the technique of how you do the Christmas wreaths. Then it's just basically up to you already.
Okay.
For you to show your creativity. There are 3 designs to the wreaths. Okay, so we can actually do middle, like middle bottom, or we can just do side, or we can do the whole thing. So it's up to you.
I really like very rustic look, so I think everything here is very rustic. I really like this, and the pine, it is fresh pine, you know. It's like they cut from the Christmas tree.
Just follow, go with the flow, I guess.
So far I don't have plans, but creativity comes like suddenly, right? So later I'll see how it goes.
Is it too like much?
Even if she doesn't tell you.
Who said she will tell me?
So you can bundle them.
Wow, achievement!
Thank you. I'm planning to put this. It's so loose. I'm just turning it wrongly.
I think I'm gonna lose. Confirm cannot make it. The gold color thing very nice. Why cannot take? Free for all. She says that it can tell your mood or like what kind of personality you have. But I just think that it's my moodness shining through.
Blend it down.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Let's put the flowers just I'm done. Say again. I'm done. That's all? No lah.
You're so boring.
Bonk.
Which one is?
I want to do food.
I haven't taken it.
One overthink, one never think.
Oh no!
After a while, I decided to just do this side. Thank you very much.
Caught cheating for the second time.
Cheater.
I spy a little girl cheating. She got special flower. Yeah, the most honest soul so
I'm the
far.
most honest of guys. It's based on my own ability and skill.
What, but like making this is hard?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Angry.
Meanwhile,
She said turn then do what?
I don't know.
one eternity later.
Are you almost done?
She's now tying the ribbon for me and filling up the hole that I created. You say it can last for 25 days?
Yeah.
Or more?
Stay away from the fun part.
Ah! What is it? I'm so in love with it. It turned out better than I expected for sure because I'm not someone with a lot of artistic talent, but I envisioned it to be like that and it came out like that.
Meanwhile,
I'm a Christmas tree.
You know, you look like what?
Don't say.
So just one, yeah? Yeah, okay.
Maybe two.
Yeah.
It's all here. You guys, we are gonna invite a very special guest to pick which one is her favorite. A, B or C? Which one y'all think? Leave it in the comments box down below as well. Which one is your favorite? Okay. A, B or C? A, B.
I'll pick C.
Oh my god, that's right!
Like it just looks a lot Christmas. Like there's a lot of like Christmas mood going on, you know.
Because if you were to purchase it yourself, you would think it's the most 划算because it's the whole thing and not half of it, correct? Yay!
My concept is let your creativity flow. So there's a lot of colors here. You see, got blue, not blue, sorry, red, blue, green, white, and orange. My concept is balance. So one side is green and Christmassy, and then the other side is rustic and white and pink, and even my ribbon is in the middle. Wow.
For me, I actually just wanted a full wreath, so like I just chomped it as fast as I could because as you can see, I took like half the time as they did, and I just wanted something that was like, you know, more like full looking and very Christmassy, so I used red, green and mostly browns. So we've come to the end of the entire workshop. We just want to thank Amy and her team for the wonderful workshop. Actually, it's super duper fun, right? Yeah, it's so therapeutic actually. If you are in need of, you know, a fun little activity to do, and especially now Christmas right around the corner, I think you can come and check out Amyt Fleur. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!